morning everyone. Today we are going to Ambur and Yelagiri. It is around 160 kilometers approximately from Bangalore. So it's a weekend getaway. So we thought let's explore this place. So let's start. We are heading to Ambur now. It is around 160 kilometers from our home. It takes approximately 3 hours. So there are two different roads. One is from Hoskote Kolar and the other is from Hosur. So we are taking Hoskote route because this is closer to us.
अभी 8 बजने वाला है एंड जैसे मेघना ने बताया वी आर हेडिंग टू अंबुर। अंबुर बहुत ही वेल नोन है बिरयानी के लिए और बेंगलोर में भी काफी आउटलेट्स हमने देखा है ऑलरेडी, लेकिन हमने सोचा व्हाई नॉट टू गो एंड ट्राई इट इन अंबुर इटसेल्फ। और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वैरायटीज ऑफ फूड वहाँ पर सर्व करते हैं, तो हम लोग वो भी एक्सप्लोर करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं।
Reached Ambur, it's around 9:30. So ella shops mostly close agide. Even biryani will start around 11 AM. So hagagi we thought let's go to Yelagiri first, explore Yelagiri and then come back to Ambur. So if you're planning to come to Ambur to have biryani, so better come in the afternoon or after 11 o'clock. We have stopped for breakfast at Sai Suprabhatam, which is on the way to Elagiri after crossing Ambur. The ambience of the hotel is pleasing and the food looks delicious. We just had breakfast here. It was delicious. We love the food. So if you're coming from Ambur to Elagiri, then this is the place to stop for breakfast. Let's start for Elagiri now. Ambur to Yelagiri is about 40 kilometers and takes an hour to reach. While travelling to Yelagiri, you will see so many pin curves because it is located on the top of the hill. We drove up the hill. It is around 40 minutes from Ambur. We just reached Yelagiri. So the first place we are going is Nature's Park. Let's go and explore. Nature's Park entry fee is 15 rupees per adult and it is open from 9 AM to 7 PM. We just roamed around in nature park. There is nothing much to do here. It's just a greenery. So it takes around 30 minutes here. So from here we are going now to the lake. So this is just opposite to Nature's Park. Here they have a pedaling and also rowboat. So we have taken a rowboat. So the place is very beautiful and it's very calm. Since it's on top of the hill, even it's very pleasant and a good breeze is there. The lane towards the lake has many shops where you can try fresh fried fish, shops to buy souvenirs, homemade chocolates, wine, variety of oils and much more. There are different fun activities like slingshots, bubble balloon, ziplining, trampoline and many more games. You can get fresh plucked fruits here and they are so refreshing.
Passion fruit, inside look like sabja seeds also. You can eat like a pomegranate, some salt and chili, then you can eat.
Just came back from the Nature's Park. It's a very small lake, boating ಇದೆ, arbitrary and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ shops ಇದೆ. We can eat there and also do a window shopping. So after all that, now we are going to birds park that is just 5 kilometers from here. Let's go there and explore. Fundera Park is about 20 minutes away from the lake and it is a paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Basic ticket cost 300 rupees per person. In case one is willing to do additional activities, the charges will be more. We got the tickets, now let's explore the place if it is worth the price. They have a variety of species out here like the hutch, rabbit, kennel, coop and more than 25 types of birds.
Enjoying it? She's not biting?
No, she's not. She's quiet.
How are you feeling, Meghna?
I'm pretty good. This is a smaller one, so it's fun. There's a one big parrot. That is actually a little scary and it also scratched me already here. But this is a very quiet one. They have a separate section for reptiles which looks scary. Fundera Park is a very nice, amazing place. They have different species of birds. They have ostrich, parrot and many more. You can also see one, emo, which is sitting behind me. This is a very quiet and nice place. Whenever you are in Elagiri, don't miss out this place. And also they have a fish spa and then they have a serenity cinemas as well. Heading out from the Fundera Park now, it was all worth the money spent. So this is the Selfie Panda, the Selfie Park. This is just 2 kilometers from the last place which we went. That was a bird park. It looks very colorful. Let's go inside and check. And they also have a chocolate factory inside. Doesn't have much to offer but can be a good place to click some good pictures, and for that they have people who will do that for you. They also have a chocolate factory here, so we can buy chocolates and also we can make our own chocolates. So let's go and check out. Park, lake and a birds park, and also at the last we went for a chocolate factory. So all of these places are good. There are few more places like temples are there and also waterfalls, and then there is a good trekking place, but for that we need to stay for one night. So to cover all of these places we have to stay in Elagiri for one night, then we will be able to cover. But we have just come for a one-day outing, so we are leaving from Elagiri now and we are going to Ambur, where we'll be trying biryani and also we will be looking out the leather shops, because we heard in Ambur we get a very good leather quality items, so even we want to do some shopping there. Chalo, let's go to Ambur. Finally we are going to have Ambur biryani, that's in Star Biryani. Here there are two well-known biryanis. One is Rahamanya biryani and the other one is Star biryani. So we tried Star biryani because this is located at the highway and also they have a good space of parking lot. Really, the biryani was awesome. We loved it. So if you are in Ambur, this is one of the places where you can come. Even the cleanliness and everything was maintained very good. And the best part is the parking is there. Now we are heading to KK Curry Market for some leather shopping. Lot of leather shops in Ambur. Adu il main market bandre tumbane shops ide. We checked out few shops. Even the prices are very reasonable. For jackets and all, we are getting around 2000. Shoes are starting from 400, 500 in the even 2000, 3000 tanka ide. Some shopping in Ambur. Now we are heading back to Bangalore. It's gonna be 3 hours of drive. It was a wonderful weekend getaway coming to Elagiri. So if you're coming to Elagiri, plan it for 1 day or 2 days. Depends on what all you want to cover. But do include Ambur. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye.